Alrighty, take 257 of Melissa Whitmire's TED Talk of the day, which is we're going to focus on the effects of poor waste management. A lot of factors, a lot of problems, and a lot of solutions a lot of people aren't even aware of because the lack of public awareness. The lack of public awareness is mainly due to, let's say, businesses, individuals, just in general, not being educated in ways of reducing, reusing, recycling. Lord, that those phrases, those words were drilled into me when I was in high school. Reduce, reuse, recycle. People need to realize what they think may be in items like end of life, maybe used somewhere else. Reusing, repurposing, such as, let's say, water bottles. I use them to plant some of my herbs around the house. Like I said, a lot of people refuse to learn about the issue. It does play a big role, especially in my opinion with the older generation. Older generation kind of has that attitude. Well, I'm not going to be here much longer. Why do I need to concern myself with the world? Unfortunately, that's just the cold hard truth. I see a lot of kids that are aware of the issues taking some stances in it. I know when I was in high school and coming home after reduce, reuse, recycle was embedded in my head, I tried to make a change and try to get my parents to make changes. I think we need to do the same thing now. We need to work on the investment in waste management. It stops things in their tracks before things can even get started. It takes money, and people are overall greedy, and they don't see how their money now, like I said, would make even an impact in their lifetime. The lack of machinery. Lord, I worked at a few places that their trash compactor needed some help. The waste wasn't even getting disposed properly like it should have. Environmental effects from the food, the plastic, the cardboard, and construction debris not being properly disposed of, it causes havoc in so many ways. It's not only hurting us humans; it's hurting our wildlife. It alters the ecosystem. It changes the soil's physical and chemical properties, reducing infertility, aeration capacity, just to name a few. Why can't we just put waste in the proper place? Um, let's see. Like I said, a lot of things need to be addressed, I guess, with our youth, in my opinion. I think they would take it more seriously than us older folks seem to. Um, Insufficient investment in the management, lack of proper machinery. Overall, we really need to crack down and school people a little bit more. Let's start with the youth.